my earlier episode on Lang and their drones and the way they've evolved in the technology to a whole new level of what comes with reliability on a product like this. Here's a brand in China that promises to be reaching to the levels the world is expecting when it comes to drone performances and swarm drones. Let me show you what their product has to offer. The drone that they say will make the magic. Now this one is just 560 grams, and with this battery it can last up to 17 minutes is what they claim. Then I would bet on 10 to 12 minutes, and they can go up to 20,000 drones. Imagine 20,000 drones on a swarm being controlled with one software and controller. And what you're seeing now in the video here is a drone show and their capabilities, bringing in all the drones back with a GPS system onto their charging units. Now their standard cases come with 4s. Now as you can see here, this is their takeoff mode. It says upside down. Obviously the batteries have to be manually removed and charged, but they're working on a version that brings the charging units within the case itself. And these cases of course get closed. You have 4 drones. It's easily stackable onto pallets and easy to be mobilized. Here are some facts and figures. This thing can be aligned with a 1.5 meter spacing between drones when they're taking off. But when they're on base, before they take off, a 40 centimeter distance is good enough. Just like they are in the boxes right now. They can literally take off from the boxes and return back to the boxes. And that's some cool drones. I would like to see them in action to really believe what the capabilities are of this product. With an IP rating of 43, IP43, which means it could work in weather conditions not so suitable in general conditions, but of course not heavy rain or super heavy wind. They say it's got a wind certification of 4 to 5, and it could do the magic required. Well, that's some amazing tech on the Technologist.